In brief, if I will say, I'm Shivani. I'm connecting you from UP, District Pratapgarh. My qualification, I'm a Master of Art with English Literature. And I'm a teacher by profession. I run my own coaching and YouTube channel. That's all about me in myself in brief.
That's great. Yeah, thank you. So, Shivani, I have few questions for you. As you told me that you are a teacher, so I have started a series where people just thinking about learning English, but they are not taking first step towards their English. So, according to me, like first question is that could you tell me a bit about of your English journey? Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. And what inspired you to become an English trainer?
Yeah, ma'am. Means you want to know about my profession, why I chose means teacher, because the
Yeah,
teacher may be any.
firstly about your English journey, and then like why did you choose this English as an English trainer journey? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I started my this journey in 2015 when I was in class 12th. Before class 12th means 9th, 10th, I was not so intelligent and I didn't have so much interest in study. I was average student. But after class 12th, I joined spoken classes, coaching, and there when I sat between the students and when I got competition between them, then a different type of waves generated in myself, and I started to get interest in studies. And since then, I had learned a lot of things, and almost I was a very crazy girl, and still I am whatever I want to achieve. And if I really want, then I forget my all pains and everything. So that time same thing happened, that that time I wanted to learn English, and I wanted to speak English like my sir who was teaching me in class. And I obeyed him whatever he used to say, that do like this. And I started to work. When I joined that time, I was the poorest student of my class. But after second test and third test, I was the first position in my class. I joined that class when I was means you can say around 25 or 30 days has been passed, but I took a copy of a classmate and I completed and I learned that, and I understood very well in those things. And then I continue working hard at home. Means morning to evening I used to think about English, and you can say I fell in love with English. That's so I used to think when I used to sleep, then sleep while thinking. And sometimes I had dream related English. And sometimes I used to take test in English. In the morning time my mother said that today in the night you were saying like that. Then I used to think, and when I do any work as brooming and cutting vegetables or any other work, when I go by bicycle to college, then I used to murmur in myself about English. So after the struggle of 6 months, I became good at English, and it is said that yeah, Shivani is a good student. But one day a sir came, new sir means the real sir went somewhere. Then optional teacher came and he asked in the class that who wants to become teacher. Then I raised my hand in the class. Then all the students started to laugh at me that yeah, she is weak and she wanted to teacher. Then he asked me reasons, Shivani, why do you want to become a teacher? Then I told sir, my reason is only this, that if I will study for myself, so I think that I can't study well. But when I will think that today I have to teach this topic, can, could, or tenses, and there are 25 students in front of me, then I will work very harder than this. I will read many books. I will read from YouTube that any students can ask me any questions. So I will not leave any doubt in that subject. This is the reason that if I will become teacher, then it will improve me more than a student. So he told to the teacher, to the sir there, that yeah, Shivani was saying that, and he impressed by my answer. And then gradually he offered me that if you want to teach, then you can. Then in starting, I checked copy, and gradually after 1 year, I started to teach there. And now, right now, after 8 year has been passed, but I'm teaching there also. So it was a journey, but it was a very painful and challenging journey for me, because when I started, so I was very young. I was in BA first year, or inter. I have passed inter and BA first year. So this is the period time of that time. That
Right.
time I was quite young. So when I started teach there, then many students, because in spoken classes there is no criteria of age. Some parents with the two kids and some senior students used to come to learn English. Then they used to say to sir that yeah, I don't want to read by her, she is so younger, what will she teach, like that. So he supported me very much, and he said that listen to yourself and leave them say. One day they will say that I will read by Shivani ma'am. So this is your starting time. So focus on yourself and work on yourself. So many things I listened, and after passing inter or class 12th, I took English in BA and in MA. So in class, I faced some problems. Some of my friends said that if she can take English in MA and in BA, so why not I, like that. But I didn't listen to anyone. I work continue on myself. That's so today I'm the teacher of my locality. You can say maximum area of my village knows that who is Shivani ma'am. So it was a journey. And the thing that you asked, that why I decided to become a teacher, not any other things. So ma'am, this is my thinking. Personally, I think that if we have become a doctor, हाँ, नीचे नीचे, if I have become a teacher, engineer, and professor, then I will be only a single personality in my life. I will remain a teacher, a doctor, sorry, a doctor, engineer, professor. But if I am a teacher, or if anyone is a teacher, then he will make many personalities as many teachers, many engineers in his or her life. So I thought that I should be a teacher, and this is the very respectful and very best job, especially for the girls, because girls have a lack of respect, and this is the field where we get a lot of respect from the boys, from the girls, and from everyone. So I choose this, ma'am.
Yeah, that's really inspiring story, Shivani. So I appreciate your story because you, when in 12th grade, you have learned that you have to learn English. So this is the best thing according to me. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so tell me now, you are a trainer. So how do you teach your students about some students are they are not able to understand proper, and sometimes they are not able to learn vocabulary as well. So, few tips from your side that how they can start their journey if they are thinking about that, and how they can learn vocabulary as well. Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am. This vocab, if we want to learn, then which I apply on myself, that if we want to learn any new words, then we should know daily 5 words, that and we should use in our daily life. And when we use it, then we will never forget those words. And if we will learn and we don't use in our daily life, in our conversation, so definitely we will forget one day. So we should take a firm determination that daily I will learn only 2 or 3 or 5 words according to our capacity and potential. And then we should daily learn, and after that we should frame some sentences and we should speak. As 5 words I have learned, and I am having conversation with you. So I will create a scene and I will speak those sentences. When maximum 3 4 times I will use those words, then that will be very common for us. So this is the best trick for learning those words or sentences or anything.
yeah, that's great, amazing. Okay, so tell me one thing more now. Our viewers are very curious about thinking about listening from you that what is online study, that how online study is best or offline, that what should we do, like for women I always recommend that this is the best platform that you can start online because you don't have need to go anywhere or outside from home. But according to them, sometimes people are get stuck with offline study. So what do you think about that? Because you
Yeah.
are teaching both.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I would like to say that both are good at its place. If you have courage, and if you have time, and if you can manage, then you should go to offline coaching and offline institute and academy. Because when we go offline for taking classes or for learning, then we will have to maintain ourselves. Then we see the different type of people in society, and we communicate them, and we learn a lot of things. Except that work, we learn many things. And when we go by auto, taxi, then different type of word we see. And offline, we can communicate to the teachers very easily, and we can ask our doubts or anything, everything. But online teaching is the far intelligent person that he can understand everything and very easily. But if first time, if suppose that I don't know anything about any exam, so first we should join offline coaching, and then secondly we can learn offline, because offline then we know all the chapters directly. If we will comment there our doubts, so maybe they will reply or not. And for online, one thing is very important, that is discipline. If you are disciplined person, then online classes is very good for you. Suppose that I have purchased many course, and I am not disciplined of about type, I don't have discipline for time, so my video is recorded, and a number of video are recorded, and so I will not study, that is waste of time. And if I am very disciplined person, that yeah, my class is 5 p.m., so I will take my class. In offline classes we go there, but online classes, if we are sleeping, oh, today I will not see, I will see next other day, I will take any other day, today is marriage, today mummy is calling, like that. So according to our situation, according to our potential, that yeah, I am very disciplined person, I am very obedient, that yes, I will take my class. Let them cry to anyone is calling me, let them. So that is also good. So both are good, both are good. But I for the teacher, which teaching is good, offline, online, then online teaching is best. Because online teaching, if we teach a class and we upload on YouTube, so that will give you continue money. Till then it will be, because the people will keep on watching that. But offline classes, if I give one classes and any students is absent, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will have to repeat. So for the teaching, online is best. And by this you can got famous in the world, and you can be famous in the world. But for the student, so it depends on students how they are or how their interest is, like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
such a fantastic advice, Shivani, you have given that sometimes people are getting stuck that we should take offline or online. Yeah, according to you, as you told me that if you are punctual, if you don't have any procrastination, so you can go with the online. Otherwise, offline is
Yeah,
best
yeah,
for you. Yeah, that's great. Okay,
yeah.
so my final question is, Shivani, that do you have any words of encouragement for others who are just embarking their English learning journey, but they are not taking any step towards English? So, any like encouragement words you want to tell them that they can at least start their journey?
uh Yeah, yeah, ma'am. That on the person who makes always excuses, that I want to do this and I want to do this, but I don't have time. So nobody has time. Nobody has time. Everybody are doing their work, but you will have to save time. Sometimes my students, or I listen that say that a lot of work at my home, I don't get time for study, for homework, like that. Same as you find out time for the other work, for sleeping, for eating, for taking a bath, same as you will have to find out, you will have to save some time for yourself. Because your first responsibility is yourself, then your parents, then any other thing. First make yourself so able that you can spend your life. Because this world is not so beautiful, so good as we see. That if we are able, and if we are independent, dependent on others, then we can't be free, and we can't feel what is life. But we when we are dependent girl, and when we are dependent, and when we are earning money, then we can enjoy our life, and we can do everything. So if any women or any girl wants respect, want to means attention from the others, and when he or she anybody goes somewhere, then everybody respect or everything. So first your priority is to give respect to yourself, and give time to yourself, and think about your future, what you are. People knows or no, you or not, beauty doesn't matter. Don't focus to beauty, because maximum I see maximum girls, their most of time goes for their maintenance as hair beauty things. But if you don't have beauty, no problem. But if you have power to spend earn money, to spend money, and to speak before in front of others, so that is your real beauty. So we should focus on this. But some of girls don't think this. They think that this is my real
Yeah,
point. But because
yeah.
we can see that because we can see, ma'am, there are many famous teachers and many PM and CM. They are not physically so beautiful, but they have post, and many beautiful person are in front of as a guard like that. So we must first we must set our career, and then we should proceed in that work. So I never focus. Sometimes my family members, my sister used to say that you are a teacher, you go to in a school, there are function, then you should wear this and you should use these things. So I don't use, I like very simple. Then I thought that I
But
said that
now
first.
you are yeah, you are a girl. You have your own beauty because being a woman, we have should this apply these things. So like I can say that I'm not younger nowadays. I am 40 plus. So like these types of people, they can do these things. Okay. So Shivani, tell me one thing more that about yourself. That after learning English, how do you see yourself that now, as you told me that you are able to earn, so what is the message to others that totally already you have given this message that don't focus on your beauty, focus on your career or your future, that how can you earn from there. So these are the changes in your life after learning English. So you can give this message to others, like if you will learn, because according to me, yeah, English is like our passion. Most of people, they just tell from my childhood I wanted to learn English. But if you want to learn English, it can be your passion and profession as well. You can earn from home as well. So what do you think about, and what do you say those women especially?
Ma'am, please tell me your question in a sentence.
My question is only one, that after learning English, how your life changed.
Yeah, ma'am. After learning English, my life totally changed. And before 2015 and after 2015, there is a great change. Nobody believes me that if sometimes any friends, childhood friends, suddenly meet to me, then he can't recognize me, and he always say that Shivani, how did you change so much? And I started to earn money when I was BA first year and second year, because I started teaching like that. uh, I earlier nobody obeys me, and this is a reality in our family, brother and sister,
Reality.
everybody,
Yeah,
that
true.
when we are very simple person and when we are depend to them, then we don't have so much respect. Nobody obeys us. But when we earn money and when we don't depend to others, then there is a different type of pleasure and a different type of happiness for us. So now I have means in my village also, in starting people used to say a lot of things, and they used to laugh in starting that yeah, she is going to coaching, and she laughs in starting. They try to prevent my going or from for my coaching, as I go to in the morning. First I attend my coaching at 8 a.m, and after that I go to college, I come back at 4 p.m. They tried many things because in the village it happens. and
true.
but I didn't open. But now everything is open, all right. Now the villagers lady, some girls come that Didi, please teach me, I want to study. And some auntie came and she said to me, means before 5 days, that Bitu, if you have time, then please teach. Then I said, auntie, I don't have time, like that. So there is a great changes in the mentality of people. And in one word, I want to say that if you are in your struggling time, any work or anywhere, then even your sometimes your family members, your brother and sister, they will object you, and they will not support you, they will not encourage you, means encourage
True.
you. But when they will see that, yeah, now you are working, now you are going at a label, then gradually they will come to surround you, and they will appreciate you, and they will try to take credit. Yeah, now she's here or he is here because of me. So this is the funda of life, that struggling time we are alone, but while getting success time, all the world is with us.
Yeah, that's great. And thank you so much for sharing your insights with us, Shivani. It's a pleasure to meet you. And yeah, great time.